Welcome to the Daily Social, and this is episode 26. And in this episode, I will be talking about LinkedIn Stories, a brand new feature that is being rolled out in the US now on the LinkedIn platform. So be sure to tune in to episode 26 happening now. What is going on, guys? In today's episode, I just want to talk to you guys about NFTs and how NFTs, have been dominating the market lately. So, in light of everything, NFTs have been taking off like crazy. NFTs, Bitcoin, stocks, collectibles, all of these have been taking off like crazy. So, NFTs are a huge thing. So, everybody is trying to mint their NFTs, buy Bitcoin, get a collectible, flip the collectible and buy it for a low or medium price, because usually they would they would bid on it and then sell it for a certain amount of money. Some collectibles that I've seen online and on the internet go for upwards of $1 million, or even higher than that. I seen one where it went for over $5 million. So it just amounts to being aware and learning about NFTs, learning about stocks, learning about garage sales, learning about flipping. All of these things you will have to learn about and to understand and to grow and to flip and stuff and things like that. But in all essence, your mindset is to grow these things and to understand where you see yourself within 10, 20 years from now. So, because if Bitcoin had to go away, you would have something else to fall back on. So it's all in a sense of, I wouldn't say gratitude, but just give Bitcoin a try, give stocks a try, give garage selling a try. It's all about giving these things a chance, because you never know, 20 years from now, there's something better. So for now, since we're in 2021, everything is starting to go up. Vehicles are going up. Stocks are going up. So it depends on what stocks you use, because some stocks can give you a good return, and some that you bid on really can't. So it depends on if you want to sell it, if you want to keep it, because you never know if that is same stock that you sell ends up in the end on the upside gaining huge margins. So if you guys want to learn about NFTs, or to learn about stocks, or trading, flipping, any sort of those things, make sure to hit me up on IG or Twitter. You guys can follow me there, and if you guys have any questions, you guys can feel free to let me know what your thoughts are, and we'll get it going from there, guys. So if you guys want to know more, hit me up on Twitter, hit me up on Instagram, or stay tuned for part 2, where I go more in depth on NFTs and what you need to know. So tune in next week for that episode. Alright, guys, I will see you later. Thank you for listening to episode 26 of the Daily Social Podcast. If you found this episode insightful or creative in any way, feel free to share this with your network on social media. Be sure to tag a friend, and be sure to tune in to episode 27 next time on the Daily Social Podcast. See you guys on episode 27.